Today, I'm bringing you the story of Nduru, the dove, and Ago, the lion. Once upon a time, the dove and the lion were great friends. And every day, lion would visit the dove, and lion would sit under the tree while the dove would be getting food and throwing down, and lion would be eating. They kept on this friendship for some time. One day, lion said to dove, I have been the one coming to visit you all this while. I think you should come and visit me too, to know where I live, so it won't be a one-sided affair. Dove agreed. Lion went home. Dove's wives said to Dove, don't go, don't go. Lion will eat you. Dove said, no, I will go. When I get there, I will be on a tree and I will not come down. So Dove went. When Dove reached Lion's house, there was no tree because Lion was living in his den under the rocks. Dove had to come down from and enter the den, the lion's den. The lion strangled Dove, ate Dove with his family, and Lion ate Dove. Lion came, saw Dove's wife in distress, took Dove's wife and made Dove's wife his own wife. And in her distress, she gave birth to a baby boy. Lion did not have a son, so Lion decided to have the baby boy as his son, and he named the boy Ikediogu, that is the boy dove. So they started living together. Ikediogu was very strong, always fighting. People feared Ikediogu because Ikediogu was the lion's son, and they feared the lion. He was wrestling and defeating everybody. So one day, an old woman called Ikediogu and said, why are you strutting around, fighting everybody because you think lion is your father? Look at yourself and look at lion. Do you look like lion? Go find out who your father is. Dove came home and asked the mother, Mother, who is my father? The mother could not tell him because she knew the implication that if a child is not old enough to know what killed his father would kill him. The Ikediogu threatened and said he himself would go to Lion and find out. That's another problem. Ikediogu's mother knew that if Ikediogu went to see the lion would now know that Ikediogu would be a threat, and therefore the lion would kill Ikediogu. So she told Ikediogu what happened, how lion, the dove's friend, killed dove and ate dove and then took her when she was pregnant. Ikediogu said, oh, you know what? When you go to the farm tomorrow, do not take me with you. Tell lion that I'm sick. Just find ointment and put on my body, and I will lie near the fire. I am not going to the farm with you. The next day, lion came out, wanted to go to the farm with the whole family. And Ikediogu's mother told lion that Ikediogu was sick and Ikediogu wasn't going to be able to go with them. Okay. The lion looked in, saw Ikediogu shivering by the fireside, and then told every other person, let's go. So they all went. At some point in the farm, they were running short of CDMs. Lion sent Ikediogu's mother to go and get more CDMs and in the process look in to see how Ikediogu was doing. The woman went. On getting to the compound, she saw that Ikediogu had killed the lion's um, chicken, the chicken with which he worshipped his own personal god, and spread the wings all over the compound. The woman was so afraid she ran away. Lion waited and waited, didn't see the woman, and said, maybe Ikediogu was worse than we thought. Sent the youngest daughter to go and find out what was wrong and bring back words, and now in the process bring some CDMs. Lion's daughter went. On reaching the compound, she saw this feather all over the place. She lamented, cried, threw herself on the ground, and started singing. Chai, chai, obodo nanụ gburu ọkụkụ agụ ji agọluchi ya. Agụdo anụnụ gbanugwu mmụọ. Agụdo ike dị ogwu gburu ya. O gburu ya maka nne ya. Ị na-eme ka ịbọlụ anụnụ gbanugwu mmụọ bọlụ. Bọlụ 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 anụnụ gbanugwu mmụọ bọlụ. Meaning, who killed the lion, the hen with which lion worships his personal god. Ikediogu killed the chicken. Are you trying to retaliate? Okay, retaliate. And Ikediogu answered from where he was on top of, on the treetop. He said, Ọ bụ mụ nwa nduru gburu ya. Ude jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya, ọ bụ mgburu ya. Ude jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya, o gburu nna m egbu. Ude jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya, ọ kpọrọ nne n'ime. Ude jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya, ọ bụ mgburu ya. Ude jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya. He said, I am the one that killed the chicken. I am the one that killed the chicken. The girl started crying because she knew the implication. That would be the death of her father. Lion at the farm waited for the girl to come back. She didn't come back. He sent the middle one. That one went, came, saw the same sight, sang the same song. Ikediogu gave the same reply. She stayed there and started crying. Lion sent the third daughter. The same thing happened. Lion sent the wife. The same thing happened. Lion got very angry, threatening what he would do to all of them, and went on his own, packed everything and went home. On reaching his compound, he saw this sight, the feather of the chicken, his personal god's chicken, all over the compound. He screamed, Chai, chai, obodo nanụ gburu ọkụkụ agụ ji agọluchi ya. Agụdo anụnụ gbanugwu mmụọ. Agụdo ike dị ogwu gburu ya. O gburu ya maka nne ya. Ị na-eme ka ịbọlụọ anụnụ gbanugwu mmụọ bọlụ. Bọlụ 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 anụnụ gbanugwu mmụọ bọlụ. Ikediogu replied, Ọ bụ mụ nwa nduru gburu ya. Ude jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya, ọ bụ mgburu ya. Ude jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya, igburu nna m egbu. Ude jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya, ọ kpọrọ nne n'ime. Ude jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya, ọ bụ mgburu ya. Jide agụ n'ọdọ yọrọ ya. In his anger, the lion rushed to where Ikediogu was and saw him up there, stretched his paws to grab at Ikediogu. Ikediogu had a knife with him. Ikediogu cut off the hand. He stretched the other hand. Ikediogu cut off that one. He stretched the legs. Ikediogu cut that one. Stretched the other one. Ikediogu cut it again. And then it was there. Ikediogu said, if you know, you can fall on the at the base of the tree, and then I can fall down, and your wife and your children can kill me, because that's where the talisman, the juju, I used. in climbing. That's why it is. It will be spoiled, and I will tumble out of the tree. In his anger, he didn't think. He fell out there. Ikediogu shot him with a big arrow and pierced his heart. He died. When the wife and the children saw what happened, they ran away, ran into the big forest. Ikediogu came down, went and looked for the mother, got the mother, and they dragged lion's carcass into the house, cut up the meat, cooked the meat. They were eating it. It was smelling all over the place. Tortoise, that was their neighbor, smelled the cooking of meat and came over, pretending to come to get firewood, to get fire from them. When he came in and saw them eating, he said, "How did you people get all this meat? How did you get all this meat in this famine when hunger is whipping everybody?" They told Tortoise what happened. Tortoise praised Diogo, and yes, Ago has been terrorizing everybody, intimidating everybody. It's good that he is dead. He went home. When Tortoise reached home, he picked up his metal gong and started beating, calling the village. "We are looking for our father Ago. We are looking for our father Lion. Ago the lion, we are looking for him." And the villagers said, "Go home. Ago went on a journey." "No, come out. I know what happened to Ago the lion. I know what happened to Ago the lion." They all came and asked him what happened. He said, "I'm not going to tell you, but it will be this way. We'll go around everybody's house. Anybody we see the lion's meat in his house, we'll kill that person without asking why the person killed lion." Everybody agreed. They started going into people's houses. Meanwhile, Ikediogu, that heard what they were saying, came home with the mother, took all the meat into Tortoise's house. They cleaned their own house, spread blood, everything inside Tortoise's house. As they were going, uh, Tortoise kept insisting that they should go to Ago the lion's house first. They went there, saw Ikediogu and the mother. There was no meat. There was no blood. Tortoise went everywhere looking for signs of the meat. He didn't see. And they said, "Tortoise, we've decided, let's go to your house since your house is closer." They went to Tortoise's house. Flies, blood, the lion's meat, the lion's skin. Everything was all over the place. Tortoise said, "Wait, wait, let me tell you what happened." They said, "No, you said nobody should talk." So they killed him. That's how Tortoise died.